Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's month end and it's a long holiday weekend, so we'll see how the markets end up today. But overall, prices are just a little bit higher. As month end, we've got deliveries. So soybean meal was 161 lots, oil 13 lots. There was 137 corn, 376 Kansas City hard wheat, 186 oats, 511 beans, and no soft red winter wheat. So I guess the surprises were meal deliveries and no wheat deliveries. So we've got beans up 2 cents, corn up a penny, and wheat up about 7 cents. The dollar's lower, crude's lower, outside markets are lower, all because the President of the United States yesterday suggested that at the deadline, which is September 6th, he would impose tariffs on $200 billion worth of additional Chinese goods, and it's got global stock markets on edge. We did see a private estimate of the U.S. corn crop with the yield down about a half a bushel for corn. And as far as beans are concerned, they raised it almost 2 bushels from the USDA's numbers. So again, negative to the beans and maybe a little support underneath the corn market if those numbers are correct. For the month, winter wheat prices down about 30 cents in soft wheat, almost 40 cents in Hart KC wheat. Spring wheat's down 30 cents, corn's down 30 cents, beans down 85 cents, meal down $38, and soybean oil down 70 points. And I think all of that has to do, number one, that the U.S. crops are okay. Number two, that you've got still the trade war with China. And number three, I think that the market just kind of ran out of time in being long the grains. The U.S. said the net farm income will drop this year to $66 billion because of the global trade issues. That's down 13% from 2017. We've got some rains coming across the central Midwest over the weekend. The 11 to 16 day calls for average temps across most of the Midwest and Plains, a bit below average rainfall for the Midwest and below average rains for the Plains. And it looks like as far as the fall forecast is concerned, maybe temperatures will be normal to below, precip maybe normal to above. Could be wet in the south and dry in the northern plains. Funds yesterday, sellers of beans, meal, corn, and wheat. They bought a little oil. They continue to be short 65,000 beans, 93 oil, 65,000 corn, and long 28,000 meal, which is down from the high of the year, and long about 49,000 wheat. So again, a little bit firmer tone after the deliveries, after the end of the month, squaring up. And now September is usually a harvest month for corn, which could offer some resistance. And the trade wars continues to offer resistance to the bean complex. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.